When most traders think about crypto trading, they often just consider spot markets or perpetual futures, right? But in 2025, the real alpha is actually hiding in the options market, which is a corner of crypto trading still massively underexplored compared to stocks and commodities, for example, right? So with the volatility rising in the markets and also just growing institutional adoption, we're looking at platforms like Deribit or Polynomial or OKX is the ones that are leading the charge when it comes to offering options trading, right? So let's talk about what options trading are first of all, and we can get down to the meat of things. So calls, puts, and just strategies for volatility, right? It is called an option is effectively a contract that gives you the right but not the obligation to buy, which is to put a call, or sell, which is a put of an asset at a set price in the future. So calls just essentially let you bet on rising prices, and puts let you profit from falling prices. And together these let you trade volatility itself and not just the direction, if that makes sense. So in crypto, where the prices can move, let's say 20% in a day, this flexibility becomes invaluable because strategies like straddles, which is buying both a call and a put, or strangles, which allow traders to profit regardless of direction, as long as that volatility spikes, become things that you really want to be exploring to maximize your gains. So let's now talk about delta neutral yield farming with options. One of the most overlooked strategies right now is this delta neutral options farming. Instead of making directional bets, right, traders are able to sell options here to capture premiums or income, or even hedge with spot or futures to stay delta neutral, right? And also harvest consistent yield from the volatility premium that others are willing to pay. And this actually transforms options into an income strategy rather than just speculation. And on platforms like Deribit or Polynomial, institutional desks are actually running entire yield strategies that are based on selling volatility, and retail traders can also copy these approaches, but just on a smaller scale, right? So the platforms that are powering crypto options in 2025, I'd say Deribit, really the undisputed leader in Bitcoin and Ethereum options, settled with the deepest liquidity there and the widest range of contracts as well. OKX brings options trading to a broader retail base with seamless integrations into its futures and spot markets. Also, BTC and ETH settled. BitMEX used to offer options, but they did stop. They are the pioneers in perpetual derivatives, though. So I just want to reiterate why I think options are a hidden gold mine, because I think where there's volatility, there's opportunity, especially in crypto, and with growing adoption from institutions and hedge funds, trading desks are becoming bringing that TradeFi option strategies to on-chain markets, and also just consistent yield, selling volatility and running those delta neutral strategies actually creates passive income as well. And retail typically overlooks this. And just risk hedging as well, with the options, it gives you as a trader that real insurance against black swan events. So I think options trading is no longer just for like quants and hedge funds. I think with these easy to use platforms like Deribit or OKX, you are able to actually tap into those markets as well. If you want to learn more, make sure you check out the link in the description, and also go to decentralised.news, our main site, where you can find the best cryptocurrency exchanges, DeFi platforms, NFT marketplaces, crypto wallets and trading tools, and all that great alpha for free. Like, share, subscribe, man. Turn on the notifications. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.